Okay, so this is the second part to this project. So we've got the grid on our portrait. Now we need to make the same exact grid over here so that you can do your value grid portrait. So what you need to do, get your little centimeter ruler. And what I like to do, start out, I'm going to come in 2 centimeters from the edge, make a line. I'm going to go up a little higher, make another line at 2 centimeters. Alright, and so we know that this one should be 25 or 26. Let's double check and count. I'm not going to count this top little piece here, so I'm going to put X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So we have 26 centimeters. Some of yours will be a little different. Everybody's printout might come out a smidgen different, just depending on how it prints. So my centimeter ruler I have here only goes to 25 that I printed out. So I'm going to grab another ruler because it'll be a little easier. That's a bigger one. And if you don't have that, that's okay. It's just going to take you longer. Alright, so I got centimeters. I'm going to line it up over here. I'm going to line it up at the top. I'm going to go 2 centimeters down. That's where I'm going to start. So, I made the dash. Now I'm going to move this dash down to there because I'm not real good at math. Hence, I'm the art teacher. Alright, so I said it's 26. Make another dash down here. I'm going to go ahead and connect this. So this is going to be the edge of your value grid transfer. And just like I did before, come in here, make a dash every centimeter. Now when you're doing this, you don't have to engrave with pencil. Some kids like really hold the pencil really tight and hard, and then it's really hard to erase if you screw up. So what I like to tell kids is to pretend that your pencil is a delicate flower and you don't want to crush it. Sometimes that helps and sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so here's my first side of centimeters. Alrighty, so I know I came in from 2 centimeters from the top, and I'm just kind of estimating where I think I need to go. I'm going to put a dash here. Alrighty, then I'm going to come down here. I'm going to measure all the way down to 26 again, but this time I'm not going to make a line. And I'm not going to do that because I don't know where to make the line yet because I haven't measured on the other side yet. So I'm coming back in here, every centimeter, making a dash lightly. Alrighty, so now that part is done. So now I know, okay, that's 26. We need to count how many over we go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now, like I said earlier, sometimes your picture will not be the exact same as everybody else's depending on how it prints out. I try to print these out 8 by 10 inches, but sometimes that doesn't happen. Alrighty, so I already have my line up here, and I know where to stop here. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to line the 21 up with both of those, make a dash at the 1. I'm going to go ahead and connect these. And I'm going to make my dashes every centimeter all over again. This is a time-consuming project, but the end result is really worth it. It's so neat. Very rewarding. Alrighty, so now I'm going to do that same thing down here. Line it up at 21 right here. Make sure that this gets lined up at the bottom there with each line. Make a dash right here. Go all the way over. Once again, I'm going to make these lines little dashes at every centimeter. Oops, I made a little extra one there. It's really important that you don't move your ruler or your measuring device, whatever you decide you're using. Because if you do, then your measurements are going to be off. So you got to hold tight to the ruler. Okay, so now I have all of my measurements. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to move old James Dean out of the way for right now. And now I'm just going to connect all this, just like we did with the portrait. So this is the left edge. I'm just going to connect these. Uh-oh, see what I did there? I moved. That's okay. That's what an eraser's for.